Hi fellow eco warriors, I'm Kym Rawson, the restoration manager from the Waiheke Resources Trust. Today I'm going to be talking about the invasive species on Waiheke. Currently the moth plant is our #1 invasive species, and at this time of year the pods are starting to form, so it's quite a crucial time to either prevent the pods from forming by cutting them at the base while they're flowering, or to be removing the pods as they begin to mature. So for those of you who have never met our friend, or not our friend, moth plant, if you come and have a good close look here, it is characterized by a vine that wants to climb up on top of the tree and completely smother it, in the end killing the tree. It then starts to form pods. This is a pod about half size. It's probably going to double to triple before it's ready. And so in regards to this plant, there's two things we're going to do. Is we try, if we can, to remove the pods, and also tracing the vine back to the base. Now it can be a tricky when you've got this in a tangled mess. You've got asparagus, you've got gorse, you've got tobacco, and the key to it is finding the vine at first. Start giving it a jiggle, you start to recognize it, slowly tracing it back into the grass, rightio, until you find it at the base. Now what we do, we have at WRT, we're a no spray philosophy, so we use a targeted cut and paste, and it's picloram that we use for the moth plant. And so once you've found the base of the vine, there we go. Ideally you want to try and get it as close as you can. Cutting it too far away and pasting it, it's less likely to kill it. So we go as close as we can, do a nice clean bit of an angle cut, which gives a greater surface area, and it only needs a very tiny amount of cut and paste, and there we go, that's that.
Please let us know about moth plant that you've been tackling in your garden in the comments below.